What is a dental bridge? Hi guys, I am Dr. Shrishti, aesthetic dentist and a root canal specialist. So today I am here to tell you what is a dental bridge. Bridge is a fixed dental restoration that replaces one or more missing teeth. They take the support of the existing natural healthy teeth and replace your missing teeth with the artificial teeth. Now let's get into what are the advantages and disadvantages of having a dental bridge. So the advantages of a dental bridge are that they offer a natural looking solution to your tooth loss. Second, they help in chewing as well as in speech. Third, they prevent the neighboring teeth from migrating into the gap created by the missing tooth. So the dental bridge do have some disadvantages as well. You need to cut or trim the neighboring healthy tooth. You might have transient sensitivity. If not cleaned thoroughly, then the teeth that are supporting teeth in the bridge can decay. The gums below the bridge can become inflamed. If any one of the supporting tooth becomes decayed, then the entire bridge goes for a toss. So it's always better to go for dental implants if your dentist suggests. Keep following Apex Dental Care for more such content. Thank you.